Welcome to Ripcaster. My name is John Nelson and we're a Linn dealer based between Reading and Oxford in the UK. Today's video we're going to be talking about Linn LP12 plinths. We're celebrating 50 years of Linn this year, and the LP12 has been in production throughout that period. If you were to look at an LP12 made in 1973 and compare it against one from today, ostensibly they look identical. Linn have continually developed the LP12 over the years, but its aesthetic qualities have remained largely unchanged. In the showroom today, we've got three examples behind me. Over here, we've got an LP12, probably from the late 90s, with a black ash plinth. Behind me still, we've got a Klimax current generation LP12 in a fluted walnut plinth. We've got a Selekt LP12 in a standard walnut plinth. On the table here I've got some examples of other plinths. We've got a cherry one, a walnut one I think from probably the 1980s, 1990s, and another black ash plinth. So the standard finishes that are available are white, black, walnut, oak, rosewood and cherry, and they're available in fluted or non-fluted variants. So the plinth is fundamental to how the LP12 is constructed. All the other parts are effectively bolted onto this or are suspended from this. So we have the top plate that you can see in the two on the table in front of me, and then the subchassis hangs below that, and the baseboard and the motor, etc. Over the years, the design of this has evolved, and so we have features such as these brace points here, make the whole design more rigid. These slots here to enable cable routing, etc., and just generally improve the rigidity of the plinth. And you can also get custom finishes on the non-fluted versions, and we'll have a look at one of those shortly. So during filming for this video, a customer came into the showroom to get his LP12 serviced. He explained it had been in his loft for a few years, and here it is. So as you can see, it's got quite a few evidence of being in the loft, and it's got a fluted plinth, but in this instance unfortunately it's cracked on the front edge here. But one of the things that you can do with older turntables to bring them back to life is put a new plinth on them. So whether it's one that's in this state or one that's just the wrong colour, you can have the plinth swapped. Check out our website and we'll probably have an update on what this ends up looking like for progress on how this turntable turns out. I'll put a link in the description below. So here we have an oak fluted plinth, current specification, ready to go. The fluting on the current ones only is on the three sides, so we have a flat rear side. The hinges can be attached. Let's have a look at a custom finish. You can basically choose any colour you like. So an automotive paint finish, a RAL colour. This is one that we ordered a few weeks ago to just demonstrate the possibilities. I've not seen it before. Let me know what you think about the colour. Okay, interesting. Is a VW colour. It's a metallic green. I quite like that. Is you can also get custom speakers in matching finishes. So we got some speakers to match the plinth. So let's have a look at our speakers in the same custom finish. Okay, so let's have a look at the speaker. Again, I quite like it. If you're interested in other LP12 components, We've created a website at expert.ripcaster.co.uk that shows exploded diagrams of the LP12. I'll put the link in the description below, but it allows you to explore in a web browser how the LP12 and all the components that go into it. It's a work in progress at the moment. We've got the basic Sondek and the Magic LP12, but we will be adding more models for Selekt and for Klimax in the future. I welcome any feedback on the models for LP12. You'll also find some of the individual components in 3D models on our website. So if you look at the plinth pages on our website, you'll get a 3D model of the actual plinth if you scroll down on those pages. Hope you like the video. Let us know what you think about our custom choice of finish. And if you're looking to upgrade your turntable, change the plinth, then please get in touch. Thanks for watching.